Hey everyone, and welcome to the Savvy Engineer channel. On this video guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can convert an STL file format to solid body using a FreeCAD software called FreeCAD, okay? But guys, before we jump into the details, do not forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Savvy Engineer community. And without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, so as you can see here on the screen, when I do left click on the piece, all the piece is selected. I cannot select the top face, the bottom face, as you can see. So this is an STL file format, and the first step you need to do here, to do simple click on the part 1. The name of this piece is part 1, and you go here and switch from part design to part. Okay, second, you go to part, then you click on create shape from mesh, then you click on OK. Second, you do simple click on the second result, this result, the new result. Then you come back to the part. Then you go to convert to solid. Great. Next, you use the new result, the new one, the solid part. Then you come back to part. Then you go to create a copy, then refine shape. Okay. You do simple left click here. Click on the space bar. You do simple left click on the first result, then click on the space bar, then you click on the last result, then you go to file, export, then you choose the step file format, then you click on save, then OK. Now I'm gonna go to the folder where I saved the new step file. I'm gonna drag this step file on FreeCAD, then click on OK. Okay, so as you can see here, this is a step file. I can select the top face, this face, this face, and this face. Okay, I'm gonna open the same file in other CAD software like CATIA. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to open this new step file created in FreeCAD. I'm gonna open it in CATIA. Okay, so this is a solid body created from an STL file in FreeCAD. Okay, so as you can see, I can select the top face, this face, this face. This is a solid body. Okay guys, so this is how you can convert an STL file to a solid body using FreeCAD. Okay, thanks for watching.